Hair care essentials. Nourishing tips for healthy locks. Taking care of your hair is essential for keeping it healthy and looking great. Here are simple tips to nourish your locks. Regular washing. Cleanse your hair with a gentle shampoo to remove dirt and oil buildup. Conditioning. Use conditioner to moisturize and detangle your hair, making it soft and manageable. Deep conditioning. Treat your hair to a weekly deep conditioning treatment to restore moisture and repair damage. Avoid heat styling. Limit the use of heat tools to prevent hair damage. Protect from sun. Wear a hat or use SPF products to shield your hair from UV damage. Trimming. Trim your hair regularly to prevent split ends and maintain a healthy appearance. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals for optimal hair health. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your body and hair hydrated. Follow these tips for healthy, nourished locks. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.